everybody. It is Z week. We made it all the way to the end of the alphabet. Isn't that so fabulous? Do you remember way back in September when you first started school and we started with the letter A? And I said in May we will get to the letter Z. And you did it. Woohoo! Z. And the number of the week is 10. And you know what? We are finished with our numbers, because if you can write and if you can read 1 through 10, you could learn any number there is. I am so proud of you. All right, so let's do Z sound. Z says Z. Z says Z. Every letter has a sound. And Z says Z. The letter of the week is Z. The letter of the week is Z. Z, 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 z. The letter of the week is Z. So let's hear that Z sound. Z, like zipper and zoo and what's that? Zebra. Good job. Excellent. Okay, so we have to practice writing the letter Z. It's so easy. One straight line at the skyline. Then we're going to make a diagonal line all the way to the grass and one straight line across the grass. Lowercase z is exactly the same, it's just smaller. We start at the plain line, diagonal line to the grass, and one straight line across. Let's write a capital Z again. And let's make the Z sound zzz. Good job. Let's make a lowercase z. Zzz. Does your mouth vibrate when you say the letter Z? Keep practicing, everybody. Good job. Let's read some Z words. I know that most of you are reading now, so I think you could probably sound some of these words out. I'm going to read the Z word, and then you read it. You say it after me. You be my echo, okay? Zoo, zoom, zebra, zero, zone. Good job. Zipper. Now you say it. Zipper. Good. Ziploc. Good. Zucchini. Zigzag, and ziti. Good job. Keep practicing your Z words. And while we're here now, let's work on our calendar. Okay? So remember, if you don't have a calendar at home, that's fine. You just work along with mine. So here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome. Can you figure out what color we are going to color the number 13? The pattern is blue, blue, green. Think about it. What color is the number 13 going to be? That's right. It is going to be blue. Let me get my blue crayon, and I'm going to color the number 13 in blue. Hooray. Awesome work, everybody. Good job. Okay, we're going to work on the number 10 next. Bye-bye.